The Nigerian Immigration Service, though classified as an agency with the most difficult bureaucracies, has embarked on several reforms to ease the application processes and documentation of immigrants and emigrants, Nigerians and foreigners alike. Non-Nigerians require a visa unless they come from one of the visa-exempt countries and must hold a passport valid for 6 months with at least one blank passport page. Medical proof that they have taken vaccination for polio and yellow fever is also required. Non-Nigerians can gain entry into Nigeria through the following ways. ECOWAS citizens and countries with visa abolition agreements with Nigeria do not require a visa for entry into Nigeria. These countries include Benin, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Cape Verde, Chad, Cote d'Ivoire, the Gambia, Ghana, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Liberia, Mali, Niger, Senegal, Seychelles, Sierra Leone, and Togo. Holders of valid diplomatic official passports from countries with which Nigeria has a visa waiver agreement can enter Nigeria without a visa through the approved entry point. The countries include Brazil, China, Namibia, South Africa, and Turkey. Non-Nigerians who seek resident visas, temporary work permits, and dependents must have obtained it at Nigerian embassies or consular missions or visa processing centers before commencing such journey to Nigeria. African nations were to scrap visa requirements for all African citizens by 2018, following the African Union Vision and Roadmap for the next 50 years that was adopted by all member states in 2013. A recent AU report found that Africans can travel without a visa to just 22% of other African countries.
We in Nigeria have already taken the strategic decision to bring down barriers that have hindered the free movement of our people within the continent by introducing the issuance of visa as the point of entry into Nigeria to all persons holding passports of African countries with effect from January 2020.
Despite the African Union Vision and Roadmap, Nigeria maintains that only the following people are eligible for its visa on arrival policy: frequently traveled business persons of international repute, executive of multinational companies, members of government delegations, holders of United Nations passports, holders of African Union passports, holders of any other official travel document of other recognized international organizations who intend to visit Nigeria. These categories of persons must apply for visa on arrival via the Nigerian immigration portal www.immigration.gov.ng and must get approval online before the commencement of the journey to Nigeria, and all payments are to be made online too. Comptroller General of the Nigerian Immigration Services Babandede revealed that the service's position has been communicated to all airlines and the international airports for compliance, adding that airlines will not allow passengers to board without complying with the conditions stated. The Buhari administration has made stricter laws to reduce the influx of foreigners into Nigeria. Buhari in 2019 gave a 6-month grace period to undocumented foreigners above 18 years in the country to get registered or face deportation from January 13, 2020. It also said Nigerians caught harboring undocumented foreigners will face a 7-year jail term or an option of 1 million naira fine. No fewer than 80,000 migrants have been registered in the Migrant e-Registration database since its inception in July. The breakdown of the 80,000 registered migrants represents 45,000 irregular migrants and 35,000 regular migrants, and in percentage, it is 66% and 34% respectively. Similarly, in 2018, Buhari signed an Executive Order 5 prohibiting the Ministry of Interior from giving visas to foreign workers whose skills are readily available in Nigeria. Improvement in immigration has been one area Buhari has been recorded to have gotten it right.